Anybody ever seen the beast? I'ma hurt your career, but it's mean the least. Followers are very little, I mean petite. I'ma pull the carpet from under you. How it even started, you wonder who. I'ma show you what rain and thunder do. Hope you're really ready when it comes for you. Not a human, not alien on the planet that can do it like I do it. You put a mountain in front of me, I can do it, I'll pursue it. Danger, never stopping the mangling. Nina tougher than wranglers, give me lip on my finger. Never benevolent, you wasn't ever irrelevant. You thinking you about to beat this, you were out of your element. Bringing the hell away, thinking back in hell, I'm in conditional. This is my new wicked development. Never let up, you never get up. It'll never be another competitor better than us. I've been on it, you're running late, though what Letterman does. You thinking you're reaching the level that's clever than what? I'm a gainer, you don't get the picture, then I'm a painter. Which pain, I came insane, I need a language. Thinking you're gonna be a winner to bring a sandwich. Ain't no question, I am truly the strangest. I gotta shake it there for a minute. Take a need to get the greater percentage, and when I enter whatever, I gotta win it. Try to get me in the corner, you finished. A lot of people defeated when I diminish. When I hit you, need a hell of a dentist. I got the punch and the power that's intricate. Got you thinking, how did you get off into this?
Make way, I'm coming through you. There's nothing you can do. It's my day. Make waves, you crash into you. Your web is coming soon. Running your veins, so make way. Life's a beach, can we go surfing? It never been easy for me besides a birthday. If you wanna eat the words I'm serving, then we can all feast to what we think is deserving. I'm a heartbreaker, wave maker, and I'ma take a leave, never rally Kelly, baby, you're a wall breaker. Can't make her, and I can stop at your muffin if you're getting lazy. I'm a typhoon tsunami, anyone different with this against the salami. Try to be quicker when it comes to get you behind me. I get belligerent, nothing can calm me. I'ma take the wheel, bust your grill. If it's an emergency, bust the seal. You can see me make the meal, yes I will. Cause I got the skill to kill, plus the will. And put your lights out, the fight's out. The mic is my knife and the vice, and you're iced out. Put my windpipe out. Now that a thing of a single, I'ma bring it through the mic shout. Cause I'm a sore loser. If I'm defeated and heated, better be headed right for the door. And I'm a born bruiser. When you get beat it and see it, then I'll be ready to give you more. I can keep going and never stop. Easy as breathing to me, and if you don't believe me, pay me attention until I pop. Ain't gonna eat them and never need a reason, and then you better pick them up when they drop. Seeing them leaving the speed is unbelievable, and you better never give them a shot. I don't know how to behave, just know how to make way. I'm coming through you. There's nothing you can do. It's my day. Make waves. You crash into you. Your web is coming soon. Running your veins, so make way.
Yeah, you see me make waves when I became strange and dominated, but you ain't never gave praise. You be talking shit on Instagram and start to save plays. When I see you and confront you, then you try to save face to vacate. Okay, king, I'm about to go grade A. There's no names, hey, but won't gain fame. Taking my name and not singing solo days great. I'm still hungry, it's like I'm stuck in the always state of mind. My mind is so space hazy. Don't get it told, cause it's gold. Stick it don't, cause you don't. Put your whole shit a little really bold. Hit it, old shit is bone. Sticking out, I think it's broken. And go quick it down, 911. Homie, I run. My city, we know better kitty shit where I come from. You white dumb. You really think you fight done one? You wanna take my strange chain in my 9-gun blow. My future icon slum. You just a whole ass bitch. You go ass kiss anybody to blow ass if. You try to be something you're not. My shit is dope ass is. You got some dope bad lips and that sick shit is so bad bridge. We ain't similar. Homie, check your temperature. You fuck with me and you will need a medical examiner. But here's a rappers rambling, put hammers on your manager. They said I'm from Atlanta, damn it, I'm not from Canada. I came in the game and I represent it. Yeah. Johnny banging in this bitch, no mystery. They be killing it, keeping it independent. You're a yeah. Checking in, it's a leader. You need me to check. I hate them to say no more. I'ma get them, bitch. But Cali, baby, they be crazy to try me. They just a mic of this like other thing I've invented. But sophomore, I'm about to come on any minute. I'm about to make waves. You're a yeah. Motherfucker.
Need to hear now. Need to hear now. Need to hear now. Need to hear now. Get a move, get a handle. Get a grip, get ammo. It's the return of camo. A hit with a hit's a trip up this candle. Anywhere can do anything, attitude I stick to gets me this candle. Lit in this ring of this candle's been lit by this candle. Eminem sick, this kid sick and dismantled. From the trench of Atlanta, Tennessee I'm talking lemonade from lemons. Bitch, don't get me now. Shady, put me on the front row. Pow, crank it, I need to hear it loud. No accident, my track list has got classics. I'm radio, I'm active, yeah, pick it up, you They told me that I wouldn't do shit, and then I wouldn't make it. I just smiled and grabbed my nuts, fuck them. Sometimes you Cause when I realized I was the only one that would ever fuck up what I get, I never look back and I took my demo everywhere I went, you I was kicked down and kicked again till I was kicking in every lock and hinge. Dropped my friends, trying to hold me back so I could hit the road and rock again. And there they are, but I'm standing on this fucking stage. I come from the bottom of a bottle to the top hill. I'm talking lemonade from lemons. Bitch, don't get me now. Shady, put me on the front row. Loud, crank it, I need to hear it loud. That man's got a cold front, that bra got a cold blood. Come a texting and y'all about bugging. This moment just like I'm stuck. Motherfucker in the function. Jewelry always light up like a motherfucking cop car. I go and make it for my mama. I made it. Back out? Yeah, remember when they threw here? I don't even remember. Otherwise, we gotta go through this no wait Wishing I could say goodbye to being broke and say hello to bread. But I'm broke and my grass looks yellow and dead. But the jello is red and it's green in my bag, so I chill out and roll a cigarello instead. I've been waiting for a minute, feeling as though I've been coming with it ever since the television was invented. I've been looking through the glass, I just wanna get up in it. Seeing rappers on and they don't even know the business. Like I'm knowing that I'm better than you. Seeing what these rappers getting to do. Going crazy, I ain't got much weed left, but my brethren do. Need some tree, need some whiskey and etc. too. Man, I'm stressed out, but it's looking up and that's a start. Might not be on the radio, but this is art. I just wanna get by, that's the biggest part. I'm in my 20s, still feeling like a kid at heart. Lost in this young world, I'm just trying to navigate. See the pie sliced, I'm just trying to grab a plate. We see commercials, we infatuate. Wishing I was born rich with a fat estate. Yeah.
To wake up to a beautiful view. Must be nice to be a 1%er in the chosen few. Must be nice to live a life of luxury.
Must be nice.
Must be nice.
Yeah.
Must be nice.
And when we fast forward to the good, life's a hell of a trip. Except nowadays, it's like my whole perspective is flipped. Used to wish that I would have shows. Now I tour 6 months out the year, and it's nothing out of bag hoes. Blowing kush when I wake up here to sitting strong. Then I'm pulling these Balenciaga denims on. One leg at a time, just like you. Except I'm making gold records from a nice view. Trying to stay humble while I get cashed out. Racks on racks, credit
off, wearing nice clothes, flying out for shows, and my whole team goes.
Nice to wake up to a beautiful view. Must be nice to be a 1%er in the chosen few. Must be nice to live a life of luxury. Must be nice. Must be nice.
I know the dude who lives like right across there.
Do you?
Yeah.
He's always catfishing on that.
Yeah.
He's always got 10 holes out there.
Yeah, that's probably him.
Remember when he had to pick me up from here?
Yeah. That was fucking kind of gay that
It
day.
was a starter, wasn't it?
Something like that.
We were stuck out there and had to swim him over here. It was right here.
Transplants, so we chillin', switch, yeah, you know we chillin', skate team, you know we chillin', Phoenix, you know we chillin', California, you know we chillin', Alabama, you know we chillin', pulling up in that 87 with power, you know he's spinning. Look around activity, you really wanna jump inside a motherfucking prison for the animals, if you can find it to the body, couldn't get inside the club, jump into a bottle like a bowl of water, hold on buddy, can I get them? The wolf packs in mosh mode, crowd surfing, see them rise, some American famous here, DTA getting DUIs, go! To my people in the back, move to the front, push up, to my people in the front, move to the back, push up, to my people on the side, move to the middle, push up, everybody give this motherfucker 1, 2, 3, go! Jump, 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 push up, jump, 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 push up, jump, 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 push up, jump, 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 push up, motherfucker!
We are dealing with a small group of troublemakers. It's a bunch of angry.
I didn't see what happened.
Oh yeah.
You fucked it
Dude,
up?
I just seen that picture of that fucking stick through that dirt biker's leg, and that one sticking out right there. I just was like, oh hell no. What happened? So I just shot it towards the shore, and it hit that little tree.
Well, I thought you fucking... There's a throttle stuck or something.
Now's the time. time for fiberglass work.
Oh, that's all right. At least it's not on the bottom. It's just this corner.
Shit, cut that off and hydroturf over it.
Smack that fucking tree good. Yeah. Little fucking hole in it. Head back.
I got something stuck in my
I'm
pump
done.
too. I know that feeling. I just pulled that out of my pump. Yeah, people cut that shit off, dude, and just fiberglass over it, round it out. Hey, look, I just pulled this out of my pump.
Dude, look at the tree.
Oh, damn.
I was trying to go between those two trees, but I didn't see that stick fucking angled, dude, and I thought it was gonna poke, like stab me.
Dude, you even hit right here.
I blew the, look at the bark.
Look at up top even.
My handlebars hit here and the fucking, no, dude, I just fucking gassed it and bailed off.
He just didn't want to get impaled by a fucking stick.
I felt like it was gonna hit me.
I thought it put a hole in the bottom.
Dude, I thought it was gonna have a hole in me.
Yeah, that too.
That's what I was fucking scared of. You can fix a ski.
It looked like the throttle got stuck in it. Did I look back? I didn't see anybody.
I don't think I saw any of that.
Well, or you fell on the ground. Yeah.
Hopefully my camera got it, because I didn't see it. I didn't see any of it happen. I was fucking watching my own ass though.
London Bridge is falling down, but I'm too drunk on a bottle of brown. Too far gone on a pile of cans to keep my hands from moving around.